Hi guys, Thiago Trader here to bring you an update on Bitcoin dominance. This is looking absolutely juicy for an alt season. We're looking at a traditional bearish triangle pattern. Look, this is bearish all the way through. Here on the left, I'm going to put a textbook pattern of the bearish triangle pattern. And we are printing one on the Bitcoin dominance. And we had a huge alt season when we touched this line here, and then another one here, and then we are hoping to get a major alt season this time as we approach the upper trend line of this triangle, as we break down from this diagonal line here and expect to come down to this side. And this cycle might be the one where we actually break down the pattern and go lower. And some people are talking, for example, we could even see 20% Bitcoin dominance. That would give us an incredible alt season of insane proportions, bigger than 2021. I don't think it's going to be as big as this one because this was the first, the crazy mania, the first big bubble. But I expect bigger than the last one, than 2021. And if we go to 20% Bitcoin dominance, that means that Bitcoin will lose 63-64% against the alts, which is, this is the time to get into the alts, guys. Bitcoin is dominating the market, and we are inside a major, traditionally bearish pattern for the Bitcoin dominance. Let me share a little bit of my thoughts on ETH. So right now, ETH is tearing apart. This is completely insane. We're going parabolic. If we draw the Fibonacci retracement here, swing high to swing low, we can see that we are very, very close to approaching the 0.618, which sits at around 3,346. What do I think is going to happen? Well, if this was Bitcoin, this level would be pretty hard to break. But in ETH, it's not so. It can happen, for example, in the past, when we reach this level. Let's zoom in here, I'll show you. Swing high to swing low. You guys can see pretty much here. When we breach this level like butter, as you guys can see, we went up almost to the, 0.786. And then what happened is we even surpassed that. We went almost to the all-time high, and then we corrected back to the 0.618. So we had a correction of around 34%. So if the same thing happened on this cycle, that could mean that we go all the way to the all-time high, or very close, at least to the 0.786, to the 4,000 areas, before we get the correction back to the 0.618. Okay, before we come back to the 3,300 where we're sitting right now. Let's see what's going to happen. Of course, this level can also be resistance. It can play out different this cycle. So that's why I took some profits already. I took some profits at this level because we never know what's going to happen for sure. In case we correct, and I expect if we have a correction, we come back to this level here, 0.382. So we can buy at 2,500. So we can buy lower. That will be a great opportunity to buy lower. So I sold a little bit. I didn't sell everything. But of course, Ethereum, when Ethereum goes on a tsunami, normally Ethereum goes to the all-time highs and then has a wick correcting back to the 0.618 like we did last cycle. So there is not much of a chance to get inside Ethereum once it starts skyrocketing. So if you take profits, don't sell everything, okay? Otherwise, it might be difficult to get back in once we go to new all-time highs, okay? Thank you very much for watching. My name is Thiago, and if you liked the video, give a like and subscribe to the channel for more updates like this. Thank you.